Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to enable and use mouse gesture in Edge web browser for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Edge web browser on your respective computer, and on the right top corner you will see here three dot icons. Just click on it, and now just click on this help and feedback, and now just click on this about Microsoft Edge. Now check for if there is any newer updates. So firstly, kindly update your Microsoft Edge to the latest version, and after that you can see on the left side appearance, just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here enable mouse gesture, just enable it, and now just below to it you will see here configure mouse gesture, just click on it. Now on the above you will see here tons more options you can check out by yourself, and below there are some options. If you use this mouse gesture then it will go back, or you can just click on it and customize depending upon your needs, and there are more gestures indication here what are those, and you can customize depending upon your needs. So once you have enabled, now let us check if it really gonna work or not. So now just press and hold the right mouse button, and now say I want to perform a go back mouse gesture. Just swipe towards the left. So now you can see here, you can see it's showing go back indication. Now just release your right mouse button. Now it will go back, and I want to move forward again. Then once again click and hold your right mouse button and just swipe towards the right. So now you can see forward. Now just release your right mouse button. I can see here. Now say I want to refresh this website, and what I need to do, once again press and hold the right mouse button and just swipe towards the right and swipe towards downwards. Now you can see refresh. Just release your right mouse button. Now it will refresh respective web page. So you can perform various functions just by using this mouse gestures. So if you never known about these cool features included in your respective Edge web browser for computers, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.